Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your cozy corner of natural skincare, where we glow naturally with love, consistency, and ingredients you can actually pronounce. Today, we're tackling a problem that so many of us deal with: dry, flaky, tight-feeling skin, especially when the weather gets cold or after too many harsh products. Raise your hand if you've ever slathered on a moisturizer and still felt dry 5 minutes later. The truth is, your skin needs more than just surface hydration. It needs deep nourishment, protection, and a healthy barrier to lock it all in. So in today's video, I'm sharing 5 DIY masks that completely changed my dry skin game. They are gentle, easy to make, and you probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen. Plus, if you stay till the end, I'll share a bonus tip that I do weekly to keep my skin hydrated, radiant, and smooth, no matter the season. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell. I post real effective skincare recipes every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's glow up naturally. First on the list, rice and honey mask. This mask is a Bellara favorite. Simple, soothing, and so effective. Boiled rice is full of antioxidants, amino acids, and soothing starch that helps lock in moisture. It's amazing for dry, irritated, or tired skin. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant. It draws moisture into the skin and locks it in for hours. To make it, blend 2 to 3 tablespoons of boiled rice into a smooth paste. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw honey, mix well, and apply to a clean, damp skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel baby soft, bouncy, and glowing. Mask number 2, Oats mask. This one is one of the most calming masks I use during winter. Mix 1 teaspoon of ground oats with 1 teaspoon of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. Oats are deeply nourishing, perfect if your skin is flaky, itchy, or inflamed. Milk powder contains lactic acid to gently exfoliate and soften, while yogurt adds hydration and balances your skin microbiome. Mix into a smooth paste, apply to a clean skin, and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice smoother texture and visibly calmer skin after just one use. This combo works especially after exfoliating. Try pairing it with the coconut coffee scrub coming up next. Mask number 3, coconut hydrating scrub. This is a 2-in-1. It scrubs and hydrates at the same time. Mix 1 teaspoon of fine coffee grounds with 1 teaspoon of finely blended coconut flakes and 1 to 2 teaspoons of yogurt to form a creamy scrub. Coffee boosts circulation and removes dry flakes. Shredded coconut gently exfoliates while nourishing the skin with natural oils. Don't use desiccated coconut, it's very harsh on the skin. Instead, get the coconut flakes and blend them finely. Finally, yogurt soothes and moisturizes deeply. Massage gently onto damp skin in circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on for another 10 minutes, then rinse. This one is great before makeup or if you're dealing with flakiness. Mask number 4, Flaxseed Mask. Here comes the deep hydration hero, and one of my all-time favorites. Boil 2 teaspoons of flaxseed in 1 cup of water until it forms a thick gel. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3s, which forms a gel that hydrates, plumps, and firms the skin. Mix with 2 tablespoons of rice powder until smooth. Rice powder acts as a gentle exfoliator and brightener. It smooths out rough textures and dullness. Apply on clean skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Your skin will drink it up. This mask is perfect for days when your skin feels flaky, tight, or lifeless. It gives that smooth, glassy glow while deeply hydrating and nourishing. Pro tip: you can store the leftover flax gel in fridge for up to 5 days and use it as a serum or mask base. Last but not least, Sesame Glow Mask. This mask is a full skin repair smoothie. Mix 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed to hydrate and firm. 1 teaspoon of ground sesame, rich in zinc and fatty acids that deeply nourish dry skin. 1 teaspoon of rice flour that smooths and fades dullness. 1 teaspoon of yogurt to exfoliate and refresh. And enough rose water to form a paste for extra glow and soothe inflammation. Apply evenly and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. This mask tackles everything from dryness to dullness to early signs of aging. Try using it weekly during winter for skin that stays plump and glowing even on cold, dry days. As promised, here's my secret weekly routine that keeps my skin hydrated, radiant, and smooth, even when the weather is doing the most. Apply a thin layer of raw honey to clean slightly damp skin before bed. I leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse gently with lukewarm water and pat dry. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer or facial oil. I love argan oil. It's non-comedogenic and rich in vitamin E. Honey deeply hydrates, heals microcracks in dry skin, and locks in moisture all night. It's antibacterial and soothing. Perfect if your skin is feeling irritated or flaky. Do this once a week, and I promise your skin will feel like silk the next morning. If you're using these masks just once or twice and expecting miracles, stop right there. Skincare is like fitness. You can't do 3 squats and expect abs. You need to be consistent. Pick 1 or 2 masks that feel right for you and stick to them at least twice a week for 3 weeks. That's it for today, my Bellaras. Which mask are you going to try first? Comment below. I'm always checking in and replying to your results. If you loved this video, check out my Glow Up Essentials playlist. You'll find rice, flaxseed, yogurt, oats, and more remedies there. Like this video, share it with someone who's tired of dry, patchy skin, and subscribe so you never miss a Bellara skincare drop. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!